I'm George Giering. I'm the president and CEO of Giering Metal Finishing. ITAR compliance in metal finishing mostly applies to military applications. ITAR compliance basically confirms our ability to secure customers' classified information from anybody that shouldn't have access. We're fairly diverse in our customer base. Where not every application is military, but for those that need security, we have that ability to do so. Another portion of our quality system is also ISO 9001-2015 certification. We've had that since 2001 because we were driven that way with a lot of the automotive work that we were doing. And then over the years, it went from ISO 9001-2000 to 2008 to now to 2015. And we've maintained that certification because it's really important to a lot of our customers. They want to know what we say is what we do, and what we do is what we say.